Hello! Do not unpack your new Spectrum card until you have watched this 3-minute video. Otherwise, damage may happen which is not covered by the warranty. Be careful, the cards are sensitive and can be damaged during installation by electrostatic discharge, ESD, and mechanical stress. Later, during operation, the cards can be damaged by exceeding the specified input voltage rating for the selected input range. All Spectrum boards contain electronic components that can be damaged by electrostatic discharge, ESD. Never pick up the bare card without being grounded. Before picking up the bare card and installing it in your system, discharge yourself by touching a grounded bare metal surface, like a radiator, and use ESD protective gear, like ESD footwear, an anti-static mat, or an earth strap. Never bend the card in any direction while inserting or removing it from the PC system. Bending can damage the card and is not covered by the warranty. Be very careful when inserting the board into the PCI Express slot. To avoid any damage, follow these installation instructions. Unpack your new Spectrum card, but only touch the card if you are grounded. Always apply the necessary ESD precautions. Power off your target PC system, disconnect the power cord, and lay your PC flat on a table. Make sure you have proper light and clear access around the target PCI Express slot. Make sure that the mounting tab of the I/O bracket, the front plate of the card, is placed in the space between the main board and the housing, and not hitting the main board. Align the PCIe connector of the card with the PCIe slot on your main board and gently push the card into the PCI connector. Do not use excessive force. Use a suitable screw to fasten the I/O bracket, the front plate of the card, to your PC housing. Do not over-tighten the screw. Depending on your system and card, you might need to connect a 6-pin power connector if auxiliary power is required, like with M5i series cards. For removing the card, use the same steps in reverse, but if there is a lock lever on the PCIe slot of the main board, you have to unlock this lever. Otherwise, you can't pull the card out of the PCIe slot. Please store the original Spectrum packing box in case you have to send the card back to Spectrum. Never exceed the specified input voltage rating for the selected input range. See the manual for further information.